Okay, here's a part 2, so I can show you guys a little bit of it. These two tabs are pretty much where you can just click it and it shows you the different variants that of ESP32 there are and a little bit of info about them. Up here you can click it and all the modules I can pretty much think of, whether it's display or NF24, all of them that I can think of. It tells you about them, gives you a little bit of a description, which you can choose which category you want, and it'll, hang on 1 second, it'll take you to that set of modules. Then you can go to Builder, you click, let's say we want the C5, we'll click that, we'll go down, choose module, we'll choose LoRa, and we'll choose a little display. Now we'll go to wiring. This right here gives us a little summary. It says total components, 2 unique parts, compatibility check, they are compatible. You can go up to wiring, it shows you how to wire them in. Gives you both components. It gives you components and it tells you which components to use with it, like capacitors, antennas, all that. So, and there's a code or a warning area that tells you little warnings about what you're using together and everything. So there we go.